remember to subscribe to this channel. Shen Yun is a high-quality show coming to a city near you. I highly recommend it. Look for it, see it, enjoy it. Shen Yun. Dental health professionals tell us that gum disease is the #1 cause of tooth loss and affects 3 out of every 4 people. Get the book, What You Should Know About Gum Disease, and start to protect yourself and your family today.